Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the general cryptocurrency market. The last 7 days has seen a lot of altcoins pumping front, left, and center. We have seen Zcash have his own time in the sun. We have seen Dash have his own time in the sun. And the last 24 hours have seen Rave pumping aggressively to the upside. We look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market, the Strait of Hormuz, US Iran war, Bitcoin falling to $71,000. What's next for altcoin in the cryptocurrency market? Fear is still gripping the cryptocurrency market. It's huge levels of extreme fear. Market participants are scared. The general vibes is that we're going to go down to Goblin Town. We talk about liquidation in the market, what to expect from altcoins over the next few days and next few weeks. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Let's start with sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. According to the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, which analyzes emotions, sentiment from different sources and crunches them into one simple number, right now we have extreme fear gripping the cryptocurrency market. Yesterday there was extreme fear, last week there was extreme fear, and last month there was still extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. Sentiment has been very poor over the last 3 months in the cryptocurrency market. But remember, guys, historically, periods of poor sentiment have always been a good time to buy. Period of poor sentiment is when you get good bargain. Period of poor sentiment is when you make good money. But right now, we're seeing some altcoins show signs of life. Hopefully, sentiment will improve over the next few days and the next few weeks. The last 1 week, we saw Dash pumping to higher prices. Dash rallied up by 36% over the last 1 week. Zcash also had a pump to the upside, pumping by 42%. But the big news has been Rave. Rave has been aggressively pumping up 242, up 2,400% in the last 1 week. The last 1 day alone has seen Rave pump by more than 214%. If you look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin recovery is fragile. Iran war fallout to dominate markets in 2026. That's what an analyst had to say. Fallout from the Iran war will likely weigh in on market for much of 2026, dashing hope of rate cuts onto Q3 by the earliest. And that news story going around the market is Bitcoin dips to $70,600. Oil rises after US announces Hormuz blockade. US President Donald Trump says Iran did not want to compromise its nuclear weapon program, stating it was the only issue that really mattered. And MicroStrategy is still back to his buying spree. Hopefully, he's going to continue buying more Bitcoin. He has been on a buying spree over the last few months, buying at any price. He's one of the biggest Bitcoin bull we have, and he has been helping the holding the price. Will he be succeeding at the end? Only time will tell. But historically, if you are buying when there's periods of extreme fear, the market will give you chances to sell when periods of greed returns. Bitcoin price falls under 71K as US Iran tension war sparks sell-off, and Bitcoin miners face a tough row ahead of the 2028 halving. We're already talking about 2028 halving, but I believe, guys, Bitcoin and Ethereum near levels that could signal a reversal trend. If you look at the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum, Bitcoin's valuation against the US dollar tells us Bitcoin's 200-day moving average sits around $87,000 on the daily time frame. So I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin make a move towards that $87,000. My base case scenario for 2026 has been that Bitcoin will end up at $100,000 or higher than that at some point in time in 2026. Right now, Bitcoin has gone to as low as $60,000 in 2026. From that $60,000 level, Bitcoin has rallied back to as high as $75,000. I expect Bitcoin to still continue pumping. Bitcoin has been in a consolidation pattern over the last 68 days. The bears believe we're distributing to dump aggressively to Goblin Town, and there might be some truth to it. The bulls believe we're consolidating to pump to higher prices. For the bears, they believe we're repeating the same price reduction we had in 2022, where we saw Bitcoin consolidating, rallying towards its 200-day moving average, and finally dumping to Goblin Town. And if that's what's happening right now, it means we'll see Bitcoin getting to that $87,000 level, because in 2026, that's where Bitcoin's 200-day moving average sits. Ethereum, the biggest altcoin in the cryptocurrency market, has been fluctuating between the $1,700 level to as high That's $2,300. Right now, Ethereum trades around $2,195. For Ethereum, its 200-day moving average sits around $2,900. And I believe my base case scenario for Ethereum is at some point in time in 2026, we see Ethereum get to as high as $3,600. My analysis tells me, guys, that we'll see altcoins outperforming Bitcoin in the nearest future. I believe we're going to see altcoins pumping aggressively. And I've been watching on Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance has been one of those important metrics I've been paying attention to. Bitcoin dominance has been in a decline since June of 2025. I expect to see a huge decline in Bitcoin dominance, and that huge decline will lead to a lot of altcoins pumping. A lot of altcoins right now are down bad. Most of them are in their 2022 lows, some of them are in their 2018 lows, some of them their COVID sell-off lows. But one thing is sure, the altcoin market is going to soon get some joy. One thing is sure, I believe sentiment is soon going to flip in the cryptocurrency market, with the bears getting liquidated and the bulls singing kumbaya as we'll be going to the moon. But if you're following news stories in the markets, you'll be wrong-footed, because news stories in the markets is bearish news after bearish news. Bitcoin analysis, new short squeeze at open interest nears $25 billion. 6 months ago, Bitcoin crashed, the cryptocurrency market crashed. We saw one of the largest crash in the cryptocurrency market. A lot of altcoins got wrecked. And since then, we have not seen a lot of these altcoins recover. I believe worst case scenario, a relief rally is around the corner. Best case scenario, a big pump is just around the corner. And if you look at the total cryptocurrency market cap, which is still sitting around the $2.39 trillion level, I have big hopes for the total crypto market cap. I believe we're going to set new all-time highs at some point in time in the future. Since October of 2025, when total cryptocurrency market cap got to as high as $4.33 trillion, we've seen it dump by around 44%, which in a normal bull market is nothing to write home about. But the last 3 years saw the market just pumping in a straight line without any extended dump. That's why this 44% dump feels different. This 44% dump is sending the market into total chaos and pandemonium. But don't get carried away, guys. The good times will always return back to cryptocurrency market. We're not going to dump forever. Let's look at liquidation data in the cryptocurrency market. The last 48 hours, the last 24 hours has seen a lot of liquidation. More than 130,000 traders have been liquidated, according to Coin Class data. Those liquidation is coming to a total of $170 million, and the largest liquidation order happened on Bybit. A trader was liquidated for $1.84 million. How has Bitcoin performed in the month of April? How have Ethereum performed in the month of April? Q2 of 2026 has seen Bitcoin up 3.7%, Ethereum is up 4.33%, and the month of April, Bitcoin is up 3.76%, and Ethereum, on the other hand, is up 4.33%. Expecting positive price action for Bitcoin and Ethereum from here onward. A lot of sellers have sold already. Smart money is currently buying the lows. If you look at how the top 10 cryptocurrency the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization have performed over the last 7 days. Most of them have shared their gains. Most of them have erased the gains they made the previous 7 days. Bitcoin is still up 2.5%. Ethereum is up 2.7%. Which other one is there? Hyperliquid is still up 12%. If not, Dogecoin is down 1.7%. Solana is down 0.01%. BNB is down 0.69%. XRP also down 1.27%. The mantra is to buy low and is to sell high. The mantra is to buy when there's extreme fear and to sell when extreme greed returns. And according to the altcoin season index, we're not in an altcoin season, we're not in an altcoin month. Still waiting for that epic altcoin season pump. We've not gotten one in 2026. We've gotten an altcoin pump every month of the year. We've gotten an altcoin pump every at least once in a year. I don't think this time is different. I believe we'll still get an altcoin pump in 2026. But right now, we're not in an altcoin season, we're not in an altcoin month. If you know what an altcoin season is, guys, it's when 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin on a 90-day basis. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. We're expecting good news this week. We're expecting better price action. We're expecting altcoins to pump to the moon. Which altcoins are you buying? How high do you think Bitcoin will go in 2026? How high do you think Ethereum will go in 2026? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications, get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.